So you've received your email notifying you about the self-enroll course. You're going to try and do this in one sitting, so it's really simple. You self-enroll and then allow yourself 15 to 20 minutes, go through the activities, and you're done. Okay, so how do we get into it? There's our web address. You now have to self-enroll, and you do that by coming down to email. So you put in your university email, click the option, I'm a new user, and put in your name. This should be your full student name. And finally, you click the box agreeing to everything. Now you're ready to enroll in the course. There's the button. One more click. You have successfully enrolled in laboratory safety. Go to the course. And that's it. You're now in. This is the interface. And these are the hyperlinks, so you can kind of intuitively tell where the action is because they're hyperlinks. Arrow turns into a finger. And there's 7 points here. You can see it. So first, let's go to the introduction. And there we go. A little intro in text from, and a little letter there from Esmond Andrews, the Health and Safety Manager. You go through that, and then next, which takes us to number 2, a 4-minute overview. This is, as you can see, a YouTube video which you play. Lasts about 4 minutes. There's an option up here. You can notice this is a hyperlink, which allows you to download the actual slides of this video. Once you finish that, go into the third item. And this is an external link, right? You can see there, it's 9 minutes. And this is a crash course in...
Also some of the worst.
So you click and you can go through that. 9 minutes. And as you can see, this you do really quick. Then we have something to download. Lab Safety Student Manual. PDF. So as you know, PDF is portable document format. It means that you don't need to have Microsoft Word or any desktop publishing software to read it. You just get a free reader called Acrobat. And next, nearly finished, a little quiz to take. So this is about 10 questions, and I just go down. It's really a knowledge check for me to just see where I'm at, and also for the admin folks to check that you did some work. Should you wash contaminants with chemicals? True or false? We tend to notice if you've had some industry experience that you probably know the answers to most of this. That's what we found. So you would go through this, and at the bottom, the button, the all-important button to submit this quiz. Oh! And this is what we call a speed run. You answer correct answer. Oh, so I got some that I got right, and well, 1 or 2 I got wrong. Now on to 6. So this links to an external website, an open educational resource made public by Learning Solutions. OER, Open Educational Resources, an initiative that the UN supports, and so do we at TLC. So here the instructions are quite straightforward. I click on it, I come to this website, and here is the game. So this is a game in lab safety. So as you can imagine, there'll be some questions, and according to my answer, there will be some incorrect answers or correct answers. It's just a little bit of fun at the end to help sync stuff in. All right? Pretty straightforward. So I'm going to close that window. I go back to here. And then the last thing, of course, is the exit survey. Just as we had an entry survey, we have an exit survey, top and tail. This is, you could read this. It really basically says, give us your thoughts. And you can imagine, this is the kind of thing that happens in a regular class. You know, at the end, you might say, or you might not, depending how tired you are and you just want to get out. We would like, started July there. It was easier than I expected. I did it by myself. Actually, I did it with a few groups. And then, of course, the all-important, your thoughts. And I could just say it was pretty easy, but I do understand that I will also need to attend the session in person. But I will be less nervous for sure. Submit that. It still calls it. It still calls it a quiz. There you go, and that's it. Once you've done all that, you've gone through the 7 steps. This is called a breadcrumb trail. I can either click here or go here. Click on the home. And there we are. Once I've finished, I should log out. And there it is. Very simple.